My school routine. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your fun and easy way to learn English. Today, you'll meet Maya, a 10-year-old girl who's going to tell you all about her school routine. You'll learn lots of useful English words and phrases to talk about your own day at school. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, tell us where you're from in the comments, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our latest lessons. So, get ready to listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking. Let's start. Hi, my name is Maya, and I'm 10 years old. I'm a 5th grade student at Hoa Sen Primary School. I live with my parents and my little brother in Hanoi. I really like going to school because I can learn new things and have fun with my friends every day. On school days, I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed in my school uniform. Then I check my school bag to make sure I have all my books, notebooks, and pencils. After that, I eat breakfast, usually bread, eggs, or noodles. Sometimes I wake up late and don't have time to eat at home, so I grab a small snack on my way to school. My dad drives me to school every day, and we leave home at 7:15 because my first class starts at 7:30. Every day, we study different subjects like math, English, science, and history. My favorite subjects are English, music, and art because they're fun and creative. Sometimes we have group projects, which I really enjoy doing with my friends. During break time, my friends and I like to chat, play games, or buy snacks from the canteen. At lunchtime, I either eat at school or go home if I have a longer break. In the afternoon, we sometimes have PE or computer class. School usually finishes around 4 o'clock. After class, I sometimes hang out with my friends near the school. We all love comic books, so we often rent them together and share the cost. When I get home, I take a short nap, then have dinner with my family. After dinner, I do my homework and review my lessons. Before going to bed around 10 o'clock, I like to watch TV for a bit or talk to mom and dad. Even though school days can be a bit tiring, I really enjoy learning new things and spending time with my teachers and friends every day. I feel happy because each day at school brings something fun and special. I can't wait to see what I'll learn tomorrow. Vocabulary check with meanings and examples. Number 1. Uniform. Noun. Special clothes that all students wear at school. I wear my school uniform every day. Number 2. School bag. Noun. A bag used to carry books and school things. I put my books and pencils in my school bag. Number 3. Snack. Noun. A small amount of food eaten between meals. I bought a snack from the canteen during break time. Number 4. Subject. Noun. An area of study at school, like math or English. My favorite subject is English. Number 5. Creative. Adjective. Good at thinking of new ideas or making art or music. Art class helps me be more creative. Number 6. Group project. Noun. Schoolwork that students do together in a team. We did a group project about animals. Number 7. Break time. Noun. A short rest between classes. We play games during break time. Number 8. Canteen. Noun. A place at school where students can buy food or drinks. The canteen sells noodles and sandwiches. Number 9. Hang out. Verb. To spend time relaxing with friends. I like to hang out with my friends after class. Number 10. Comic book. Noun. A book with pictures and stories told in speech bubbles. We love reading comic books together. Number 11. Nap. Noun. A short sleep during the day. I take a nap after school to feel less tired. Number 12. Homework. Noun. Schoolwork that students do at home. I always finish my homework before watching TV. Number 13. Review. Verb. To look at something again to learn it better. I review my lessons every evening. Number 14. Tiring. Adjective. Making you feel tired. School days can be tiring sometimes. Number 15. Fun. Adjective. Enjoyable and making you happy. Playing with my friends is always fun. Number 16. Special. Adjective. Different from others in a nice or important way. Each day at school feels special to me. Useful phrases. Wake up around 6:30. Get dressed in something. My school uniform. Make sure I have something. All my books. Grab something. A small snack. Hang out with someone. My friends. Do my homework and review my lessons. I can't wait to see what I'll learn tomorrow. Speaking practice. Part 1. Q&As. 1. What time do you usually wake up? 2. What do you eat for breakfast? 3. How do you go to school? 4. What are your favorite subjects? Why? 5. What do you do during break time? 6. What time does your school finish? 7. What do you do after school? Pause the video and answer these questions in your own words. Sample answers. 1. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. 2. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. 3. My dad drives me to school. 4. I like English and art because they're fun and creative. 5. I chat with my friends and buy snacks from the canteen. 6. It finishes around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 7. I take a nap, do my homework, and watch TV before bed. Part 2. Talk about yourself in 1 minute. Now it's your turn. Talk about yourself for 1 minute. You can use these questions to help you. You can say, my name is, I'm years old. I'm a student at school. I live in with my favorite subject is because I usually eat for breakfast. In my free time, I like my best friend is we often together. My dream is to become a in the future. Try to speak for 1 full minute without stopping. If you make mistakes, don't worry. Just keep talking and have fun. Sample answer. Hi, my name is Maya. I'm 10 years old, and I'm a 5th grade student. I usually wake up at 6:30, get dressed, and eat breakfast. My dad drives me to school at 7:15. My favorite subjects are English and art because they're fun. During break time, I play with my friends and buy snacks. After school, I take a nap, do my homework, and watch TV. I love school because I learn new things every day.
Great job, everyone! You just learned how to talk about a school routine in English. Now it's your turn. Tell us about your school day in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path for more fun English lessons every week. See you in the next video.
I hope you have checked all our previous videos. If not, then please check it out now. Like, share, and subscribe to Smart ESL Path and upgrade your English today.